Well, I wasn't making videos. I got new speed stacks. Okay, now, I got cruisers. Guess what they are? Clear or black? Did you guess? Okay. Here's... Yay. They're pretty loud, and also, they got this really neat lock thing. Yeah, and it's pretty cool. They got the whole hand tap and stuff. Yeah, it's like so awesome. Plus they, I'll tell you later. And I also got another set of speed stacks. Can you guess what they are? Alright. Super stacks. I'm pretty fast with them, even though they're really heavy. I got them used to them. My best is 958 with super stacks. So, yeah. And, they stick pretty well. They, go pretty well with Pro Series. I'll demonstrate. Okay, now look at this. This is like, so you can do it with supers and, Pro Series together. They don't stick, because of the hole, obviously. I just wanted to let you know. And you may think that, this is like all 7 because you never even seen me with these before. But I've been stacking with these for like 2 months. Ever since like December 6th. And I'm getting ready to get new ones. Again. And I may give you an unboxing on video. I'm just gonna tell you, it's gonna be like 3 sets. No new mat, no new timer. And an accessory.